So now let's see how we can work around with gamut warnings inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So right now I'm in RGB mode, so I can only see shadow clipping and highlight clipping right here. In order to get gamut warning, you need to change it around into CMYK color space. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on the gear icon right here. And once you do that on the workflow, instead of Adobe RGB, let me just go around and select out some CMYK color right here. So once you do that, you can see that the color space is CMYK, and you can see a printer icon right here. Means if I were to click it, then you can see the areas where you will lose details. So if I were to go around and click and drag this, you can see that you can change around how the gamut warning actually works. You can change around the exposure, as you can see right here, just like this, and increase around the exposure as well, change around the contrast, as you can see right here, and see the places where you don't get much detail. And you can control this around with the exposure, as you can see right here. You can change around the highlights, as you can see right here, and then get the warning as you like right here. You can also see the histogram right here, just like this, like where there's too much yellows that are being used and so forth, just like this, and get the details as you want. And as you go around, you can see where it'll lose out the details. So that is how you can go around and enable the gamut warning and disable it out according to how you want as well over here inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.